May biglang kumambyo, nagmenor. Sabi niya, while I disagree with Senator Riza's latest statement about Gorbox, we shouldn't be too quick to dismiss her legitimate concerns. Ay! Suddenly, may legitimate concerns na. Nasita siguro to. No, ay, psst, bakit ka nagdi-disagree? Bawal yan ah. Oh my God. We shouldn't be too quick to dismiss her legitimate concerns regarding the possible usage of the platform to instill violence to kids. So suddenly, may possibility na ma-instill yung violence through games. Well, paano? Diba? I mean, again, sabi mo nga, ang dami mo ng violenting laro na nalaro, pero hindi ka naman violent eh. Di ba? Oh, like for example, yung Call of Duty, no Russians. Oh, that's one of my favorite nonsensical, violent part of the game. Di ba? Sa airport. Oh, did I turn out to be a shooter? Napaka-specific pa nung instructions doon. No Russians. But I'm still okay. So, how is games being used? Di ba? Ayan na naman tayo eh. Magsasayang na naman kayo ng pera on investigating things na wala namang kauuwian. 'Di ba? Instead of asking the very obvious question, paano nagkaroon ng access yung dalawa ng baril and making the gun owner responsible for giving access to kids, naghahanap kayo ng ibang masisisi nyo doon sa school shooting when it's supposed to be the adults around doon sa community ng bata yung nagpe-prevent nung ganong klaseng incident. Suddenly, di ba, kumambyo ka, oops, baka naman yung games. Ano yung nagbago, di ba? Nasita ka ba? Pinagalitan ka ba? Ay, bakit ka nagdi-dissent kay Riza? Ito yung mahirap sa political partisanship eh. Kontrolado nila lahat ng galaw mo, lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng sinasabi mo. Kaya hindi mo mailabas ng buo yung sa loobin mo. Nanghirap, no? Parang si Nico David din. Hindi niya alam kung sino yung sisitahin niya kasi depende sa, kung sino magbibigay ng ampaw, maleta. Ay, nako. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.